Do you want a different vacation experience? Something you've never done before? It's time you try an intertidal zone. You may be thinking, what is an intertidal zone? An intertidal zone is an area where the ocean meets the land. These zones have many interesting things to do and see. You can shellfish at them with a license, and birdwatch if you enjoy that. As you can see, there are many fun activities to do in an area which seems pretty empty. Some other things to do are help the biome by picking up trash that might be in the area. So where can I find an intertidal zone? Well, intertidal zones are everywhere. More specific places include the eastern coast of Australia, California, and Massachusetts. There is most likely one near you.
The plant life in these zones consists of red mangroves, eelgrass, seaweed, and many more. These all help to maintain the ecosystems in these zones. Make sure to bring a wide variety of clothes for the intertidal zone, as they can range from very hot to very cold environments, and anywhere in between. The temperatures here can change as much as 20 degrees Celsius in as little as 6 hours. The water depth can also change pretty fast, so make sure you watch the zone to find out when it's going to be best to walk around and have fun. Did you know that intertidal zones are both freshwater and saltwater environments? Rain and rivers bring fresh water. When the zone dries up, it becomes a saltwater environment. There are a lot of sediments in these areas. During low tide, you can find many interesting things, especially in the tide pools scattered across the intertidal zone.
You can also get involved and join a wildlife or nature community near you to help remove invasive species like the dark mahogany clam and green European crab. There are 4 different types of intertidal zones. These include the spray zone, high tide, middle tide, and the low tide zone. Middle tide zones are usually underwater and above water twice a day. The organisms in intertidal zones are mainly crabs, starfish, and other shellfish. This is due to the organisms having to be able to survive in both underwater and out of water environments. So, don't be shy, come to the intertidal zone and say hi.